Hello, everyone. Meteorologist Mike here for your Delmarva Forecast here on August the 2nd, and we've got a hot day across the peninsula today. We have temperatures in the mid 90s right now throughout the peninsula, except in Newcastle County, Delaware, where you can see a sharp temperature contrast. That's because of a line of strong thunderstorms moving through the region. Some of those are severe warned for some strong wind gusts. We're going to be keeping an eye on that throughout the night as these storms will be slowly making their way down the peninsula through the night. Something I'm keeping a very close eye on in the near future, though, is this line protruding out from those storms. That's called an outflow boundary or a gust front. This in and of itself can produce some strong wind gusts as it moves through the region, but it can also be kicking up a couple of more thunderstorms in and of itself. In fact, you could see a couple here in New Jersey, a couple of showers in New Jersey that this gust front did kick up. So like I said, we're going to be keeping a very close eye on that because we have perfect conditions across the peninsula here for some strong thunderstorms. In fact, everyone under the Mount Holly National Weather Service office is currently under a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock tonight. Once again, we are mainly concerned about strong wind gusts from these storms here tonight. Taking a look in the weekend, it is not a good beach day weekend as a cold front will begin to move into the region tomorrow. Then we'll be giving us more showers and even a couple more thunderstorms here tomorrow into Sunday. Now, we are under a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow, so once again, we're going to be keeping a close eye on any storms that pop up tomorrow, mainly for some strong wind gusts. But I'm not looking at a widespread severe event here tomorrow. Taking a look at next week, we're going to be keeping a very close eye on the tropics, especially potential tropical cyclone 4 as it makes its turn through Florida and heads right up the East Coast. Luckily, that loop-to-loop that I was talking about yesterday over top of Florida is now out of the forecast. Instead, it's going to be stalling somewhere off the Carolina coast. Right now, where exactly it stalls, how long it stalls, and where it goes after it stalls are all up in the air. So, like I said, we're going to be keeping a very close eye on this storm, especially as we head on into the weekend. So for right now, we're putting asterisks on rain for the end of next week. We could be seeing rain anywhere between Wednesday or Friday from that storm. It all depends on what it does, what it happens with it stalling. Taking a look at these temperatures, we're still going to be sitting in the mid 90s here tomorrow, but we will be dropping down to about 90 and even going down into the 80s by next week.